I announced that I was running for Attorney General about a week and a half ago, and since then it's been just a whirlwind of excitement. I got a chance last weekend to go to 6 different county assemblies, including Elbert County on Sunday, which was terrific. I actually heard Andrew Romanoff give exactly the same speech verbatim in Elbert County that he did everywhere else. And actually, I probably did too, for that matter. Last night I got to go to Mesa County. They had a dinner that they invited me to, and Pat was there, and that was terrific. And I was telling some people this morning, what's great about Mesa County Democrats, first of all, there's a lot of them. Who's here? Anybody here from Mesa County? They're all still recovering from the dinner. But there's a lot of Mesa County Democrats, and they're a very enthusiastic group, and Sally and Rebecca will appreciate the fact that Mesa County Democrats don't take themselves quite as seriously as Boulder County Democrats. And I can tell you, having been to a lot of Boulder County things through the years, Boulder County Democrats are a very serious group of folks. Let me tell you who I am and why I'm running for Attorney General. As Pat said, my name's Stan Garnett. I'm the district attorney, elected district attorney in Boulder. I essentially grew up in Boulder. I've lived there since 1968. My father grew up in Eagle County. My mother grew up in Morgan County, south of Brush. My grandfather on my dad's side was a miner, and my grandfather on my mom's side was a farmer, because in those days you could still irrigate from wells in that part of Morgan County. They met at CU in 1949. They had 5 kids. I'm the middle kid. I went to CU and got a degree in history, and then I went to law school, and I've lived in Boulder and have practiced law since 1982. I was a deputy district attorney in Denver from 1981, when I started as an intern, through 1986. And then I went to a downtown Denver law firm where I practiced complex real estate and environmental and commercial litigation for 22 years until I was elected district attorney in November of 2008. This will be the 4th time that I've run for office, because I ran for school board twice, and as I was telling a few folks here, I bet some of you have served on school boards. If you want to know politics in its rawest form, be on a school board anywhere, but especially in Boulder, Colorado. Because, yeah, okay. Everybody cares passionately about school board issues, and they don't hesitate to tell the school board members constantly how much they care. I love Colorado. I love being involved in government, and I love being a lawyer. I'm excited about the opportunity to become the Attorney General for Colorado so that we can take that office and turn it into the very powerful force to help real people that the framers of our Constitution intended the Colorado Attorney General's office to be. The Colorado Attorney General is one of the most powerful and important elected positions in the western half of the United States, which I sat next to Bill Ritter last night and I was telling him that. I don't know that he agrees that it's quite as important as I do, but it's very important because it has very significant authority to do things that help real people, to help with the environment, to help protect our water, to help protect consumers, to help protect people from unfair and bad mortgage practices and payday loan practices and the kinds of things that steal money from people. Now, when I took over the DA's office in Boulder, my goal was to reinvigorate that office and turn it into a focused and tough group of prosecutors. And I've done that. And if you don't believe me, ask any police chief in Boulder County, ask any cop in Boulder County, and they will tell you that that office is reinvigorated and focused. We have tried more murder cases in the last year than have ever happened in Boulder, and we've gotten guilty as charged on every one that we've tried. We have, some of you may remember that there's a couple of murder cases in the past in Boulder that haven't been tried yet and are kind of a problem. But the point is, I know how to manage lawyers because that's what I've done. I know how to hire, I know how to excite, I know how to invigorate, and I know how to get lawyers focused. And that's what I'll do when I take over the Attorney General's office, which is a big law office with an important mission, and we need to use it to help you and not to get sidetracked into the kind of silly partisan issues that the current Attorney General has let himself get sidetracked into. The Attorney General of Colorado needs to be an excellent lawyer, an excellent public servant, and an excellent manager of lawyers. And that's what I am, that's what my record shows, and I'm excited about this opportunity. I need your help. I have a website, that's about all I have. I have my son here, who's my campaign manager. He came back from Washington, D.C., resigned his position working for John Adler, a Democrat from New Jersey, and he also helped to run Ed Perlmutter's office in his campaign, his first campaign for Congress. So I'm very excited. I need your help. Thanks so much for giving me a few minutes to talk to you today.